Projects like this are so much fun, and it actually gives me a creative edge. At least I believe it gives me a creative edge when I'm painting and styling my furniture. Reason being, these are great for props and styling furniture or your home decor, either or. However, using different paint techniques on smaller projects often inspires me to try something different when I'm painting my furniture. So it's a really good way to test out the way paint reacts and the colors, how they react to each other, and different faux finishes before you actually take on a larger project such as your furniture. Again, it kind of keeps my creativity on spot because it helps me figure out how to paint furniture and different faux techniques I can use on larger pieces. So if you ever have the urge to do these smaller projects, I really encourage you to do so. It's so much fun, and it really sparks some ideas as you're working on them.